Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a dabbing penguin. So you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the dabbing penguin. It's really easy. Its eyes are closed. Now I'm drawing its leg. Now I'm using my black marker pen to do the coloring. Let's do it faster. Now I'm using my yellow pen. Now I'm using my pink pen. Now I'm using my pencil. Okay, now I'm using my cyan colored pencil to draw an iceberg. I'm drawing some water drops. And my drawing is done. This is looking really cute. Thank you so much for watching.